The average weight of three men, A, B, and C, is 84 kg. Another man, D, joins the group, and the average now becomes 80 kg. If another man, E, whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D, replaces A, then the average weight of B, C, D, and E becomes 79 kg. The weight of A is. They have told average weight of three men ABC is 84. Now, yes, we can go with the equations here. I can say A plus B plus C. I'll take it out directly, equals to 84 into 3. Because A plus B plus C divided by 3 is 84. It means A plus B plus C is 84 into 3, which is nothing but 83 times 24, 252. I can say A plus B plus C is 252. This is the first case. Next, another man D joins the group, and now the average becomes 80. Now what they have told, A plus B plus C plus D is nothing but average 80. 8 4 times is 32, 320. Now if I'm going to use these two equation, I can say D is nothing but 320 minus 252. 320 minus 252, that is 70 and 2 less, which gives 68. I can say D is 68 if you're going to subtract these two things. Okay. Next, if another man E, whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D, E, whose weight is 3 kg more, then I can say it is 71 kg. Replaces A, then the average weight of B, C, D, E becomes 79. Now they have told B plus C plus D plus E is equals to 79 into 4. So I can say 316 here. Now I know what is D, I know what is E. They have asked what is the weight of A. With this, can I say that you will get B plus C? So what is this B plus C? B plus C is nothing but 316 minus D 68 minus 71. If you are going to use this B plus C, I can say that is nothing but B plus C. 316 minus 68 minus 71 will get B plus C is 177. You just substitute this B plus C in this equation, you will get the value of A. So A is nothing but 252 minus 177. So which will give us A is nothing but 75 kg. It's just a substitution direct